Crystals have been a game changer in my witchcraft practice, and I'm excited to share with you how they can amplify your magical abilities and take your spells to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned witch or just starting out, crystals can be a powerful tool to enhance your practice and connect with the universe. Many of us have been there trying to cast a spell, but our energy is scattered, and we just can't seem to focus. Or, we're trying to manifest something, but it's just not happening. Maybe we're using the wrong herbs, or our intentions aren't clear. Whatever the reason, it can be frustrating and disheartening. We've all been there, struggling to get our magic to work. Perhaps we've tried using visualization techniques, meditation, or even just winging it and hoping for the best. But what if I told you there's a simpler way to boost your magic and get the results you're looking for? Imagine being able to tap into the energy of the universe, channeling it directly into your spells and manifestations. Imagine having a tool that can help you clarify your intentions, focus your energy, and amplify your magic. That tool is crystals. These powerful stones have been used for centuries to connect with the divine, and they can do the same for you. By incorporating crystals into your witchcraft practice, you can overcome common challenges like scattered energy, unclear intentions, and stagnant magic. One of the most common mistakes witches make when using crystals is not choosing the right one for their specific intention. For example, if you're trying to attract abundance, you wouldn't want to use a crystal that's known for purging and cleansing. You'd want to use a crystal that's aligned with your intention, like citron or pyrite. Another mistake is not properly cleansing and charging your crystals. If you're not taking care of your crystals, they can't take care of you. By taking the time to learn about different crystals and their properties, you can create a powerful arsenal of magic-enhancing tools. Let's talk about some of my favorite crystals for witchcraft. Amethyst is a powerful stone for intuition and psychic development. It can help you tap into your inner wisdom and connect with the universe on a deeper level. Black tourmaline is a great protection crystal, keeping negative energy at bay and promoting a sense of safety and security. And rose quartz, rose quartz. This crystal is all about love and self-love. It can help you cultivate a deeper sense of self-worth and attract loving energy into your life. I want to share with you a personal story about how crystals changed the outcome of one of my witchcraft practices. I was working on a spell to attract abundance, but I was struggling to get the results I wanted. I was using all the right herbs, saying all the right words, but it just wasn't happening. That was when I decided to incorporate crystals into my spell. I used citron and pyrite, placing them on my altar and incorporating them into my meditation. The result was amazing. I started to see a shift in my energy and my manifestation began to take shape. It was a powerful reminder of the magic that can happen when you combine intention with the right tools. I've seen crystals change the game for so many witches, and I know they can do the same for you. By incorporating crystals into your witchcraft practice, you can overcome common challenges, amplify your magic, and connect with the universe on a deeper level. Remember, magic is all about intention and energy, and crystals can help you tap into both. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.